So I recently got the update where I can view the live Sentry cameras. And I thought, hey, this is a cool feature. I played around with it. And then one day I ran into that, hey, you reached your daily limit. What is the daily limit? That's what I'm here to find out today. So my plan is to basically just load up the app. I haven't used it at all today. And we're just going to let it run. So I'm going to have it on a time lapse so you guys don't have to sit here and actually wait with me. It's running on a time lapse, but what is the limit? That's what we're going to find out. The way I did this was basically open up the app. I'll toggle the left repeater, the right repeater. I'll flash it just to make sure that the car is always awake. For starters, my phone doesn't go to sleep. The car doesn't go to sleep. It knows I'm still actively looking at the camera. So that's pretty much all I've done. Just kind of let it go. So let's fast forward and we'll be back when we reach our daily limit. It's probably not the most scientific way, but this is the way I thought. So I finally got this refresh option here. You can see there's no more cameras, no more live cameras. So I'm just gonna go back and then we're gonna hit view live cameras again. And we're gonna wait. And hopefully it goes through. So it says cameras unavailable, daily data limit reached. The time somewhere here that tells you how long mine lasted. Again, not the most scientific way of doing this, but this was the way I thought. Is that less than you thought or more than you thought? Is this a good amount for a daily limit? Let me know in the comments below. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more Tesla content. Leave a like, because that helps. That tells the YouTube algorithm that you enjoyed this video. And most importantly, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.